Gold extraction videos are going viral across social media right now. Take a look at this Instagram channel. One of its videos has already reached 28.6 million views, and many of its other uploads have also gained millions of views. First of all, open ChatGPT. Now ask ChatGPT to suggest creative objects that can be used for your gold extraction videos. Then press enter. Within seconds, ChatGPT will generate a list of unique and interesting object ideas for you. Now take a close look at the list and choose the object that looks the most satisfying and visually appealing. Pick the one you think will create the most eye-catching gold extraction transformation. After that, open the master prompt from the link in the video description. Carefully copy the entire prompt from beginning to end without leaving anything out. After that, open Google Flow and switch to the video mode. Select the Omni Flash model, set the video duration to 10 seconds, and make sure all your settings are ready. Paste the entire video prompt into the prompt box. Then go back to ChatGPT, copy the name of the object you selected, and paste it into the object section of the prompt. Once everything looks exactly right, click the Generate button. Within seconds, the AI will generate your video with smooth animations and high-quality visuals. Now let's take a look at the final result.